You are watching CIO TV by Enterprise IT World, a production of Accent Info Media.
Hello and welcome to CIOTV.live and welcome to JISEC Day 2. As the report says, there are around 20,000 cybersecurity leaders, stakeholders in this expo. They'll be here networking with each other, exploring opportunities for the 3 days. I'm at Bulwark booth. It's quite impressive and massive one. I'm sitting along with the managing director of the company, Mr. Jose Menacherry. Jose is leading from the front as a managing director more than a decade or so. George is the right person who understands the evolution of cybersecurity. Bulwark is one such company which is leading in cybersecurity supply chain in this region. Jose, I think your role and your company's role in creating awareness, providing a right supply chain for the region is commendable. You have been there, you have evolved yourself as a company and helping other organizations. So, how do you see what has been your experience and what is your expectation?
Thanks for this discussions. So, as you know, we have been here for last 25 years, and special to this year is that we are celebrating our 25th year of operation, our silver jubilee year, being a security-focused distribution company all these years throughout. So, starting from the day we started, yes, there are different technologies came into security space, and the requirement keeps on changing from the customer side based on the latest the security breaches, threats, and other concerns. We also are just interacting with the new technology vendors, having our trained resources to bring the technology to the region, interact with the customers, understand their pain areas, and provides proper, adequate, means also price is competitive solutions to the customers in the region. And we work through the set of reseller partners who are all trained and are in a position to provide such solutions to the end customers. So that's how we go to the market and meet the customers directly to promote the solutions, but largely we work with the resellers, and all our sales happens through the system integration companies and the resellers in the region.
My observation about Bulwark is that you have survived and you have grown, you are thriving now. But if I look at the core of Bulwark, you do not have very large products. All are, what I can say, are very innovative products, new age products. What is your strategy?
So basically, when you look at the large solution, means most of our solution goes to enterprise sector. So it's for the large enterprise or corporate or government customers. Uh, but if you look at generic product like in security, like endpoint or antivirus and all those things, yeah, these are the volume products which move in the market, and everyone use that. So many listeners are there, so many people, different brands are there in the market. But ours is very niche security solutions, which is used for specific areas. Like some customers need to have the compliance requirement. They want to be the compliance after putting a proper solution in place. So we are there to help them. Maybe by integrating with multiple products, we provide a solution. Then companies like our vendors like Forta and all, they got a data security suite, which consists of the encryption, that security of the data in transit, then data classification solutions, then the DLP, all in just put into as a single solution, so that customers can go with one vendor and achieve the security requirements. Similarly, there are multiple products. We also that bundle those products together to give it as a solution single solution to the end customer with the proper support from one regional means local provider. Everything goes to a SI again to the end customers.
Do you have any evaluation process? Because the space that you talk about that you are in, probably there are hundreds of players in each segment, whether it is identity, whether it is patch management, whether it is mail messaging,
Okay.
privacy, also any area that you are into. But you have chosen very few. So, do you have any yardstick? Do you have any evaluation process where you set the rule that we will go with companies, organization having these tenants, for others we are not?
So when we identify technology, again that is based on the market feedback from the customers and partners. We look into different companies and their technologies. So we analyze those technology, we evaluate the technology and the solution ourselves before we sign up with any new vendor. And once we sign up, we ensure that we have got the proper trained resource to manage that locally, provide support to the partners and customers so that they are able to use the product and they to be a happy customer for us. So that process is always there. And when we identify an opportunity or a security concern with any of the customers, along with our partners, we also provide them to just evaluate the product. And we help them to evaluate the product to their satisfaction before they finalize to buy the product. So it's actually a proven technology in front of the customer. Before they buy it, they can experience that and see that everything is worked properly. Then they can go for it. So we got the team to support them during the evaluation stage to do the POC and all. Then only the customer decide.
But you don't directly work with the customers.
We work with the customer to support them, but we don't sell anything directly to the end customer.
It goes through the channel partners.
It always goes through a channel partner.
Resellers.
Resellers, system integration companies
SIs,
and all.
yes,
Yes, yes.
But again, I will ask you the same question. One side, you need to be very diligent in evaluating the products. The other side also, you need to be very diligent. Must be having any process within your system while dealing with the SIs and channel partners, because there are partners who are not even, trustworthy, and vendors do not, customers do not work with those. So what is the process of choosing the SI or partner, or you randomly you pick up partners to be onboarded with you, even SIs to be onboarded?
So when we onboard a partner, we also interact with them a lot. We understand the industry verticals they are strong at, and there are other solutions what they handle. So with that process, we are able to just evaluate the partner properly, so that there is a equilibrium between us and the customer, the partner, and in addressing the end customer. So in that process, we are able to make out like this partner is suitable, or and do they have the trained resource? Are they ready to put some resources to understand and get their people trained? So based on that, will we decide. So that's the process. There's a team. So we have got channel sales managers who are maintaining the relations with the partners, and we have got product specialists and product managers who provide them the technical training, sales training, and also the technical training. And they also go with the SI's representative to the end customer to discuss their solution, to position the product, and also understand their pain areas so that they can select the right product and provide to the partner.
So you have all your pre-sales people who
We have the pre-sales team also, yes.
for the customers, and so also you have your partners pre-sales team.
Yeah, exactly, yes. So most of the partners, they have got what do you call it as they have got also the pre-sales team. They are the people who understand the product, who work on the RFPs and all, identify multiple products and present it as a solution. So we work a lot with this pre-sales team of the partners.
And what about sales? Whose major role is it for the sales? Is it
Our
yours?
channel sales manages the relationship with the channels. So they are the people regularly interact with the channels to maintain a proper equation between us and the partner. The product team is the people who are specialized on each and every product. So they can talk about more about their products, the product positioning, the advantages, features, the competition and all. So product team take care of that. Then we have got the technical team who does the POCs and okay, they also get into the pre-sales and after-sales support as well.
Your presence primarily was in UAE, and you expanded to Saudi, which is a larger market once again opening
Yeah.
up.
Yes.
How do you see your presence, larger presence in Saudi and other countries within the JCC?
Okay. Saudi is a focused country for us during this year. In fact, we have started our operation in the year 2021 end. So we have completed 2 years of operation and ending to now is the third year of operation. We have got a team of people locally present in Saudi. We do the local billing to the partners again as per the latest requirement in Saudi. And then some of the team members support the local team there from Dubai also. So whenever they need additional support, we send our people from here as well. But predominantly the Saudi team is managing the business in Saudi. There's a country sales head also based in Saudi.
And where is it? Are they in
They
Riyadh?
they are in Riyadh, yes.
What about Jeddah? Jeddah
They
is
used to travel actually. For the time being, they used to travel, but again, we don't sell anything directly. It's all going through the partners. So we have to support our partners to do that
so
activity.
you are centralized available
In Riyadh, yes.
oh, right. Okay, you don't need any. You need to have presence in Jeddah.
Yeah,
So
going
that will-
forward, depending on the requirement, we might think about that and appoint people if required. Yes.
Any other country of your interest within the GCC?
As of now, all other GCC countries and other Middle East countries are handled by separate teams sitting in Dubai. So they used to travel every month or once in 6 weeks to the respective regions, spend time with the customers and partners there, and they manage the rest of the things from Dubai office.
What is your target for this year, this financial year? This is a right time that I'm asking you about the target. The FI starts.
Are you asking target in terms of reach and expansion and all?
It's up to you to answer.
Okay, so that's basically is based in Dubai. UAE is one of the key potential country we deal with. Then Saudi is our next target which we want to develop further. So that's why we are strengthening our team in Saudi and providing all support and all those things from Dubai to just ensure that yes, we are just going there. And apart from that, Qatar is all the GCC countries for that matter. Then Jordan, Egypt. These are the other territories in the Middle East we focus.
And revenue wise?
Revenue wise, I am looking at making it 2x. Things last year we have done very good in terms of revenue growth. So we had a growth of around 33% last year. So this year I am looking at having a 2x growth.
2x top line you're saying.
Yes.
So can we expect more?
But we always try to run this company as a profitable one, to just take care of our office staff, to take care of the support we are providing to the end customer. A company which is making loss won't be able to do that
Correct.
in a proper manner. So it is also to run the company in a healthy manner, financially and also all other aspects technically. That all need to be met. Then only we can say that we are running a proper company. So this has been there for last 25 years. We continue to maintain that momentum.
So can we expect more OEMs to be aligned this year?
So that's a continuous process. Even in fact, last year we signed up with a few vendors, new vendors here. Some of them are like Apnox were there, then Risk Profiler was there, Home Security, again Resecurity. So these are the new vendors we just onboarded to meet the requirement of the customers. Currently we have got companies like ScopeNet, which is a network access control solution, then SendQuick, which is SMS monitoring and network security solution, then Nexus, passwordless authentication based on PKI. That's another solution. Then we have got Ekran for the insider threat monitoring, then Resecurity for the dark web monitoring, Then Mindcast, you all know that it's a cloud email security, plus they have got security awareness training, the DMARC analyzer, then the cloud archival. Then we got AppNox, which is a mobile application security platform solution. Then Invicti for the web application security. Yeah, these are the major solutions we are having in this JSEC. Apart from Fortra, which again I mentioned is a data security solution, and there got n number of other security solutions. Arcon having the PAM solutions, but Converged Identity solution, IDAM solutions. Then ACOPS having secure digital workspace and VDA solutions, and MFI. Uh, then again, one more Utimaco is the HSM solution. So these are all present with us during JSEC. Even though we also handle maybe another 15 vendors, but these vendors are present with us here for the any sort of discussions with our customers and partners.
Okay.
It's always good to see our existing customers, try to know their customer feedback, their the solution, how they utilize the solution, how is it working, and what exactly they are looking for. It also help us to generate more new requirements or opportunities for other products as well when we are here, and to meet the partners, and also the partner vendor customer interactions happens a lot during JSOC sort of events. This being a security focused event, we get that sort of exposure to meet the customers, partners, vendors all together.
All right then, thank you, Jose.